Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make your Wix website footer smaller. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor and now scroll down to the bottom, and once you get the footer, click on your footer and here you will get the stretch option. So all you have to need to small the footer, just click the stretch and drag it, and the same way you can make your footer bigger as long as you want, and click on the stretch and you can make your footer smaller. This is how we can make our Wix footer smaller. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.